How do you use Docker Compose to manage multiple Docker containers? Imagine you have a web application that needs a database, a backend server, and a cache system all running together. Managing each container separately can get complicated fast. That's where Docker Compose comes in. It's a tool that helps you handle multiple containers easily by defining everything in one file. Instead of typing long commands for each container, you write a simple configuration file called compose, YAML or Docker Compose, YAML. This file lists all your services like web servers, databases, and caches, along with their settings. You tell Docker Compose how to build images, which ports to open, and how the containers connect. For example, if you have a Node.js backend and a MongoDB database, you create a Compose, YAML that defines two services. The backend service might build from your local Docker file, and the database could use the official MongoDB image. You can specify that the backend depends on the database, so Docker Compose starts the database first. You can also set up volumes to keep data persistent even if containers restart. To run everything, just open your terminal, go to the folder with your Compose, YAML, and type Docker Compose up. This command reads your file, builds images if needed, creates a network for your containers, and starts all services. If you want it to run in the background, add the -d flag. You can check which containers are running with Docker Compose PS, see logs with Docker Compose logs, and stop everything with Docker Compose down. Docker Compose also makes managing different environments simple. You can create multiple Compose files for development, testing, or production, and switch between them easily. It's especially helpful in cloud workflows, where you want your local setup to match your cloud environment. While Docker Compose is great for single-host setups, for larger deployments across many servers, tools like Kubernetes are better suited. Overall, Docker Compose makes managing multiple containers straightforward, helping you build, test, and run complex applications smoothly. It keeps your project organized and saves you time by automating the setup process.